Hello students, today we will continue our exercise 6.1. This is the exercise of standard 9 chapter number 6 lines and angles. So here question number 5 that we have to study today. So here in the question is in the given figure POQ is a line. POQ is a straight line. Ray OR perpendicular to line PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equals to 1 half angle QOS minus angle POS. So here we have to prove that the angle ROS, this angle ROS, this much of the angle is 1 half of the angle QOS minus angle POS. So here we have given is that OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Whenever this is perpendicular to this line, we can say that the two angles so formed, angle ROQ and ROP, both are of 90 degree. So here POR and ROQ, both the angles are of the same value and that is 90 degree. Why? Because OR is perpendicular to line PQ. So that thing we can write down in the given. See, directly we do not have given that the angle is of 90 degree. But we have to understand that thing and we have to put it in the given portion. Now, this is that we have to prove. How we can prove this thing? First of all, think about the angle QOS. Think about the angle POS. If we can find out both the angles, then we have to subtract both the angles. Right? So QOS, see, in this diagram, QOS is this angle, QOS. Right? So here QOS is also the addition of the two adjacent angles, that is QOR and ROS. See? So here we can write down that angle QOS is equals to angle QOS is the addition of angle ROS plus angle ROQ. Give it the equation number 1. Right? So this is what we write down the sum of the angle. QOS is made by the two angles, that is ROS and ROQ. Right? So this is what we write down the angle sum of the angle. Now in the same way, now you can think about the POS. See, POS is here. But POS is not the addition of the two adjacent angles. But POS is one of the angle of the two adjacent angle of POR. See, if we write down the angle POR, then this POR is made by the two angles POS and ROS. Right? So our required angle POS is in that sum. So here we can write down that angle ROP or POR is equals to angle POS plus angle ROS Give it equation number 2. Right? Currently we do not have to do anything, we just write down the angles in the sum of the two angles. This angle QOS, total angle is made by these two angles ROS and ROQ. In the same way, this angle ROP or POR is the addition of these two angles ROS and POS. Right? So QOS is, now we have POS, we can find out from here. So by making POS as a subject, take this ROS to the left hand side, it will be subtracted from the ROP. So angle ROP minus angle ROS, that we get here. Give it equation number 3. Now see what we required here, that we have to prove subtraction of both this angle. So here we have to subtract equation number 1 and equation number 3. So if we equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So here we are subtracting the two equations. So when we subtract the two equations, the left hand side of the equation is subtracted from the left hand side of the another equation. Right hand side of the one equation will be subtracted from the right hand side of the another equation. So here left hand side value we can find out as angle QoS minus angle POS, right? So left hand side values that we have subtract. Right hand side value we have subtract here. First of all, write down the equation number 1, that is angle ROS plus angle ROQ. Now we have to subtract equation number 3. Sorry, here we have to take the equation number 3. So we are subtracting both this left hand side, now right hand side. From this we have to subtract this. So here we can write down angle ROP minus angle ROS. This is how we can subtract the two equations. Now left hand side portion will remain as it is. Right hand side, what we get when we open this bracket, angle ROS plus angle ROQ will remain as it is. This angle now become minus angle ROP, and this angle minus minus will become plus angle ROS. So see, here ROS is 2 times angle ROS. Now here ROQ and ROP, two angles we have. What is the value of ROQ angle is? See, ROQ is of 90 degree. What is the value of ROP? ROP, that is POR. Both the angles are same. So both the values are of 90 degree. So this 90 degree and this 90 degree will cancel out each other. Only 2 into ROS will remain here. And left hand side what we have? Angle QOS minus angle POS. So when we take this 2 to the left hand side, what will remain here is 1/2 of angle QOS minus angle POS is equals to angle ROS. And that we have to prove. Angle ROS is equals to 1/2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Understand? So in this way we can solve this type of questions. Now let us study the question number 6. In this question we do not have given the diagram. From the given information we have to make the diagram. So see what we have given. It is given that angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree. XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. So see, here we do not have given the diagram. So let us draw first of all the diagram. First of all we have to construct the angle XYZ, that is of 64 degree. So here we can say that approximately we can take the 64 degree here. Right? This is approx 64 degree. And this angle is XYZ. That means this is X, this will be the Y, and this will be the Z. This value is 64 degree. Now we have said that this XY is extended to a point P. So we have to extend this line to this side up to the point P. And we have given that YQ is the bisector of angle ZYP. See, here one angle is formed ZYP, and one of the ray, that is YQ, start from the Y. So here we have to draw a ray that bisects the angle ZYP. So draw one ray here that divides the angle ZYP and give it the name YQ. This is the Q. So see, here from the given information we have draw one of the diagram. Here we know that YQ is the angle bisector. So here this angle and this angle will be the equal, right? So these two angles PYQ and QYZ both will become the equal. So let's suppose one of the angle, that angle YQ sorry, angle PYQ is equals to angle QYZ. QYZ is equals to X. Let's suppose that angle is X. So this is X and this is also be the X. Whatever the angle value ZYP, that is divided into the two portions, right? If the ZYP is of 120 degree, then these two are of 60 degree each. So let us take it as a variable X because we don't know the exact value. Now, we have to find out the angle XYQ. XYQ. See, this XYQ angle is the addition of the two adjacent angles. One is of 60 degrees, second one is the value X. So we have to find out the value of X. Now think how we can find out the value of X. See, XYP is a line. XYP is a line. So whatever the angle is on the line, the total will be the 180 degree. So here we can write down that angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP. QYP total will be the 180 degree because XYP is a line. So put down all the values. Here we have XYZ, that is 64, ZYQ. Now ZYQ is what we have supposed here. ZYQ is X. In the same way, YQP or PYQ both we can write down, that is equals to X and total is equals to 180 degree. X plus X is 2X. Take this 64 to the right hand side, it will be subtracted from the 180. So what is the answer we get here is, when 64 is subtracted from here, we get 160. Right? Okay, so now when we divide both the sides with the 2, we get the value of X here, that is equals to 58. Right? So this is the value of X. Now the angle that we have to find out is angle XYQ. So we can write down the angle XYQ. See, this angle is the addition of the two adjacent angles, that is XYZ, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ, and ZYQ means X. So here angle XYZ that we have given is 64 and angle X we get here is 58. So when we add both this angle, what we get? 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 is here, 1 is the carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 122. So this is the value of angle XYQ. Right? Now this is 122 degree. Now we have to find out the reflex angle QYP, and we know that reflex angle QYP means reflex angle QYP we can write down as 360 degree minus angle QYP, right? And QYP is what again? X. So here 360 degree minus X, the value of X that we have find out, that is 58. So 360 minus 58, and 360 minus 58 is 302 degree. So this is the value of reflex angle QYP, and that is equals to 302 degree. Right? So in this way, whenever we do not have give the diagram, first of all we have to make the diagram from the given question, and then we can calculate the sum. So see, you can see till now whatever the question we have studied, if we have the diagram, then it is easy to understand the sum. Right? So this is all about this lecture. Thank you.